it's Lily Amanda here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Notion AI to write. I am a photographer, so writing for SEO is not my strongest suit. It would take me a long time to write the description. That always puts me off. And now we have AI. You can use Chat GPT or Notion. Notion has built-in AI. You can use the same method when you use Chat GPT. Ask any question to AI and then AI will write anything for you. And so I'm going to demonstrate to you how I write my video description for YouTube in Notion. This is my video transcription. I use Descript to edit my video and generate transcription. Okay, so I copy paste my transcription here, and then here I'm just going to ask AI question. And then you just press space here. What I love about Notion is everything, the instruction is so clear. They give you all this hint what you can do with the commands and everything. And so I find it very extremely helpful, because if they don't have this little description for what you can do, what I love about Notion is everything is the detailed instruction is so great. And you can hover over with your mouse and then you get this description, and then this is the dot. You can move this everywhere you want. Okay, this is just the move tool. You can move up and down if you want. Okay, I move it up a bit here. Okay, like this. And you can just click the button, the plus, and it gives you all these things you can do. There's just so many things you can do with the documents, with the pages. It's just incredible. And it's just so easy to use, and the sky is the limit when it comes to use Notion. And here I can ask AI to write. So I'm going to click that or just press space. And here you can ask any questions, or you just generate from the page, summarize or translate to this. Okay, and then so I'm going to ask AI to write. So I'm going to write out my question would be in the drafts. So I'm just copy and paste, and I'm just hit enter. And AI is writing way faster than me, way faster. So here is just a summarize of the question I ask. And asking good question is very important because that gets you the answer that you want. This is just the question. Okay, so this is what I want AI to generate. And you look at this writing, it's just so cool. It's just done. For me, it takes a few, even just within the minute. And so go ahead and try it and ask the questions. It is similar to ChatGPT, how you can use it. I don't know the difference between these two yet. I'm sure they all do a great job for a starting point for you to write. For me, what I would do is I would take a look at the description and I have a starting point. This is my pain point actually, just to start to write. What am I going to write? So asking good question, this question you can also ask yourself, what do you want out of this video? Asking yourself a good question is also a very good way to write. And here, like what you can learn from this video, something like that. That's how AI generated. Good question will lead to a good answer. And if you don't like this, and you can ask AI to write again or make it longer. These are all the options you can have. You can see ask AI to write. Also, if you can summarize, and after you write, there is an option that you can, okay, let me just say summarize. And you can make it longer or continue writing or try again. So this is a fantastic tool for helping people to write, and there's a starting point. So from that, I can just edit the writing and then it is good to go. It is like, wow, I would say 70-80% writing is done. All I have to do is just go in to do some editing, and this is super helpful, and you can speed up my working process is so quick. There's a lot of work to film and edit video already. So if you are solopreneur like me, then this tool is gonna save you tons of time. So this is just the video today. I hope you find this helpful, and do give a thumbs up if you find value out of it, and let me know what you think about AI writing in the comment below. I'll see you in the next video.